Today, probably a 10 for me.
Absolutely, yes,
right?
Definitely. It was just spectacular. Too bad we just couldn't bottle today's weather and keep it for a little while, Jackie.
I know, if only. And I mean, tomorrow we're going to be tracking, much needed wet weather. We'll take, the rain, especially considering we're still considered under that severe drought. But we start off dry, then we see increasing cloud cover, and then that threat for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. So just stay weather aware for your Wednesday afternoon and evening. Also, overnight tonight, not nearly as chilly as what we started off the day with earlier this morning. We'll trend a little bit cooler, a bit breezy, but eventually we do see more sunshine Thursday afternoon after this cold front clears out. And we're hitting the 80s as we head towards this upcoming weekend. So if you're hoping for some warmer temperatures, wish granted as we look ahead towards this upcoming weekend. Those overnight lows, though, earlier this morning, 30s and 40s. But with all that sunshine that we had out there today, that did give way to high temperatures back into those lower 70s. So it was nice to have the sunshine and those 70s across much of the map. It was a tad bit cooler, though, closer to the water out towards Annapolis and Lexington Park. But temperatures right now very similar to the highs for the day today. We're still holding those lower 70s for most of the area. D.C. right now right at 70 degrees. Satellite and radar, it's that system back out towards the Great Lakes region. That will continue to move its way closer towards our area, providing us with that threat for rain and thunderstorm activity for tomorrow afternoon and evening. And speaking of a thunderstorm threat, back along and west of the I-81 corridor, there is that chance for some of those thunderstorms to be on the stronger side. So that's why the Storm Prediction Center has put a marginal risk. That's on the low end of the scale, 1 out of 5 on that severe scale. So some of those storms could be on the stronger side. But like I mentioned, we do need that rainfall. I mean, so far this month, nearly a half of an inch of rainfall at DCA, but the difference from normal, we're at least an inch below normal. And for the entirety of the year, we're 4 inches below normal for this point in the year. So hopefully we get more of that rainfall over the next couple of weeks, but it looks like we do see some more of those rain chances at least out there tomorrow. So let's get right to it with the timing. We're starting off your Wednesday morning temperatures in the 50s. Then we see the line of embedded showers, the potential for some of those thunderstorms too. As we get towards noon, back along and west of the I-81 corridor, that'll continue to move its way closer and closer towards the I-95 corridor. By 2 p.m., still just off towards the north and west of D.C., and then inching closer towards the I-95 corridor right around that evening commute time frame before eventually that cold front will be swinging through later on Wednesday night, and eventually that wet weather does push its way off the coast along with that cold front. So then looking ahead towards Thursday morning, starting off at 40s and 50s, but we do have a bit of a breeze, and that's going to make it feel a little bit cooler too. There could be that spot sprinkle out there early on Thursday morning as well, so we'll watch out for that. But in terms of forecast rainfall totals, though, could see at least a half of an inch to about 3/4 of an inch for much of the area. Some locally higher amounts potentially to where we do see the setup of some of those heavier downpours. But as we look towards Wednesday, that's seasonable, though, ahead of any of that thunderstorm or rain activity. We'll see those highs middle 70s, but behind that cold front, middle 60s out there into Thursday. Friday, though, looking really nice out there to wrap up the work week. Mainly sun-filled skies. Looking really great if you're heading out to the Nats-Orioles game at Nats Park. 71 at first pitch, middle 60s towards the end of the game. Really doesn't get much nicer than that out there for your Friday evening. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day outlook, and then we're bouncing back into those 80s this weekend. Middle 80s Saturday, could be close to 90 on Sunday, but we could be seeing those 90s though as we start off that next work week. So it looks like that summer feel, yes, it's going to be sticking around beyond the weekend.
All right, Jack.